Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So in this video we will learn about Apple Catcher game in Scratch. Okay, so first what I will do, I will run this project. So here we have to write one information like press the space bar to play. Use the left and right arrow key to control the bowl. Okay, so in this project, we have to add some backdrop. We have to add some sprite. So see how many backdrop we have. This is our first backdrop. After that, we need to take one more backdrop, which is you lose. You lost too many bananas. Okay. After that, we can add one more backdrop. And what is our fourth one? You win. Okay. So it means we need to take one tree, then you win screen, then your information screen. After that, you lose screen. Okay. In that, we have some sprites. So, our first sprite is the ball. After that, we have some bananas. Okay. So, now let's start this project. So, how we will start this project? So, first, what I will do, I will run this project. I will show you which output we will get here. See, we have to just press the space bar. After that, what is this information? You lose too many bananas. Okay, so let's start this project. So what we have to do, we need to just search for the scratch. Okay, so let's search for scratch first. So we need to just search for this scratch, mit.edu. Over here, we have to just click on the create button. So what we will do, we will add some sprite and some backdrop. So we will start from sprite. So first we want bowl. So we have this. After that, we want to add some bananas. So instead of banana, if you want to add apple or any other fruit, even we can do that. So after that, what we will do, we will just duplicate this. Okay. So see what will happen now, how we will add our backdrop. So from where we will get the backdrop, this is our choose a backdrop screen. Okay. Whatever backdrop we want, we can just add. Suppose I want to add tree. Here I want to add this one. So this is my first backdrop. After that, if you want, you can paint your backdrop. Okay, whatever color you want, you can just add. Suppose I want to take a black color. Then you have to select this square. Okay, then just drag and drop it here like this. See, then here we can write like you win and we have to take one you lose screen. So what we have to do, just click on this text, write down you win. This is our you win screen. After that we have to take you lose. So just duplicate, remove this. Okay, so this is our backdrop and this one is the sprite. So now we have to start our coding part for the ball. So always first we have to start from the event. So which event we will add here? So we have to start from when space key is pressed. Okay, and we have to create one more backdrop, which is our we have to write information. Press the space key to start your project. Space key. And after that, we want to write one more information, which is use left and right arrow. Use left and right arrow to move your ball. So in this way, we can add whatever information we want. Okay. After that, we need to just click on the ball, go to the code. So all we have to start from the event. So what is our first event here? When space key is pressed. Okay. So when space key is pressed, so what we want to add here. So first we want to add like when right arrow is pressed and when left arrow is pressed, and that we want continuously, so we will take this forever. Forever means if you want to add anything continuously, inside that we need to take two if condition, means if left arrow is pressed and if right arrow is pressed. So this is our two condition. So where we will get our right arrow and left arrow, inside the sensing we have touching mouse pointer. Okay. And but in the mouse pointer we have only this three thing. So if you will take key space is pressed, so instead of space we want to take right arrow and we need to add one left arrow. So instead of space we will take left arrow. So for the right arrow we want to move to the right direction, right? So for that, see, here we have to use our coordinate system. In the coordinate system, always in the right side we have our positive value, in the left side we have our negative value, right? So here we have to change our x axis by 10, and in the left direction we will change by -10. Okay. Now see, if I will press the space key. So if you will take it left and right, see both are working properly. After that, we want to add one more event here. Okay, again when space key is pressed. So when space key is pressed, so what we want to add here inside the forever, we want to switch our backdrop, like where we want you lose and where you want you win. Okay. So now we have to create one variable. So we can write the variable name like a disappear. So this is our variable disappear. Okay. So here we will get our variable. So now we have to add one condition. So we need to just go to the control. Here we will get our if condition. Now, like if our disappear is 3, means if we will lose 3 banana, so we have to take our backdrop which is you lose screen. Okay. So what we have to do, just go to the operator. Here we have this equals to, like in the variable, if disappear is equal to 3. Instead of 3, we can write any number. So if this appear is 3, we need to switch our backdrop. Suppose if you will click on the backdrop, so what is our disappear screen? You lose. What is the name of the screen? Which is backdrop 3. So you have to just come to the code for the bowl. Here we will switch our backdrop. So we need to just go to the looks. Here we will get switch our backdrop. So we have to add this here. Instead of backdrop 4, we will add backdrop 3 because backdrop 3 is our you lose screen. After that, suppose we want to wait for some second and we want to stop this game. So we need to wait for 1 second, then stop all. Where we will get our stop all? Inside the control itself, we have this stop all. Okay. So this is like when space key is pressed. Okay. After that, what we have to do now? Now we will add for our banana. So this is for our bowl. In the bowl, we need to just add our left arrow, right arrow, and if our disappear is 3, we have to switch our backdrop. Now just come to the banana. For the banana, what we have to do now? Yes. So what we will do now? Again, we will add some event like when space key is pressed. So when space key is pressed, so we want to set our score. Again, we need to just create one variable. So you can write a variable name as a score, and we need to set our score 0. Initially, we have to set the score 0. Okay. After that, we have to just go to one random position, because here for the banana, we don't have any fixed position. Okay. And then we have to set our y, because we want banana fall down from here. Okay. So we need to set our y axis, where we will get that inside the motion we have this set. Instead of 129, we will take it 180, because the starting position is this. Okay. We won't fall down from here, so we need to take this point, and we will take our ball little bit here. Okay. Now again come to the banana. Now we want everything continuously. Okay. Until and unless I will stop, we will stop the game. So we have to take this forever. Inside the forever, we want to change the direction. Okay. Change our y direction, because we want to fall down. So again, where we will get our change? Inside the motion, we have this change y. But we don't want this much value. What we want little bit change. Like suppose -5. Okay. After that, we have to add one condition. If this will touch to your bow, so we want to increase the score. Okay. So here we will take our if condition. Inside the sensing, we have this. If touch, instead of mouse pointer, if this will touch to your bowl, we want to change a score by 1. So here we will get our change. Instead of disappear, we have to take its score. We need to change our score by 1. And again, we will go to some random position. So here we have to select go to the random position. And now again, we want from the top. Okay. So what we will do now, again, we will take our set y. So inside the motion, we have this set y. Again, we want from the start position like a 180. Now see what will happen if I will press the space key. See, banana will fall down. Okay. After that, again we will add some event. Okay. So go to the event when space key is pressed. So when space key is pressed, so what we want? We want to show. First, we want to show the banana. So inside the looks, we will get a show block. After that, suppose if we want some time, so we can add wait for 1 second. And again, we want all the thing forever. So we have to add this forever. Now, again, we will add one condition. What is that condition? If this will touch to the black color, change disappear by 1. So where we will get the black color, just go to the sensing, take this touching color. But can you just imagine? This is the pink. How you will take a black? Click on this pencil, take your pencil little bit here, select. So you will get a same color. So we want to change the disappear by 1. Okay. After that, it will hide your everything. Why? Because we want to stop our game. So we will take this hide, and then we have to go to some position. So go to your value. Where we want to go to? We want to go to little bit some point. Okay. So take your banana here. What is that position? You have to write. Suppose I want to go to the starting position, which is 240, and here 180 means little bit here, something like that. So see this value. Okay. Then we have to stop everything. Okay, because this is a disappear. So you need to just go to the control stop all. Instead of all, we need to select other script in this sprite. We want to do that. After that, see what we want when flag is clicked. So again, we have to add when flag is clicked. So we want to set disappear to 0 because initially we want to set this as a 0. Okay. After that, what we want. If that will touch to your bowl, even we can start the sound also. So again, we need to just go to the event when space key is pressed. So when space key is pressed, again we want everything forever. So we can take this forever also. Inside that, again we have to add some condition. Okay. What is that condition? If this will touch to your bowl. So where is the bowl? Where is the bowl? This. Take this touch instead of mouse pointer. We need to touch to the bowl. So here we want to start the sound. So we can take any sound. Okay. After that, again, we have to just go to the random position. So this is our random position. And again, we have to set our Y. Means again, we want everything from this starting. So here we have to take 180 because 180 is the top position. Okay. After that, what we want now, if I will run. So what we will do now, we will add our first screen tree. We can move the bowl, right? So how we will get more banana? We need to just duplicate this. How many banana we want, we can just duplicate. Okay. See, now we have lots of banana. Okay. So in this way, we can create our fruit, or we can say apple catcher game. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Even in the comment section, whatever project you want, you can just mention that project and in the next video you will get that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.